No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
Herein, his summer style of cooking. So Chef Henry, welcome to the show. Talk to us. What's on the menu today?
Alright, today guys we're gonna be doing escovitch chicken breast. And we're gonna do some fries, but we're gonna do it from scratch. We're gonna use a potato. Alright, so we have a chicken breast here. Debone the chicken breast. So here we're gonna cut the chicken breast first, and then we're gonna julienne the chicken breast. So we just cut the chicken breast in two, because we don't want the chicken breast to be too thick. Then we're gonna julienne. So first thing we're gonna hold the finger like this. Alright, so now we're gonna wash our chicken breast, and we're gonna pour the water, running water, and then we're gonna pour vinegar, and we're gonna just wash our chicken breast now. So you guys really would gonna enjoy this. Alright, so this is just our basic season. We're just gonna pour Maggi season, a little bit of jerk season, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Alright, so now we're seasoning our chicken. We're using Maggi season. And the reason why I love Maggi season is like, what I say? It just mesh with the chicken. Maggi season having everything, and then I use the jerk season, which is having the pimento, every spice in it already. So the jerk season and the Maggi season, that's what give it that key taste. For seasoning chicken, we're gonna put the chicken down to marinate for 15 minutes. So when preparing our escovitch sauce, firstly, we're gonna julienne our carrot, julienne our sweet pepper, we're gonna slice our onion, and our favorite Scotch-Bonnet pepper, we're gonna slice it. And our sauce cannot be prepared without our famous pimento. Right, so now we're gonna julienne, and when I say julienne, it simply means cut in strips. So firstly, we're gonna slice thinly. We're just gonna julienne thinly. Alright, so now we're going to julienne our sweet pepper. And you're just gonna follow the same procedure as you were doing with the carrot. So now we're gonna slice our onion. And so I've been cooking from since age 9, so cooking is always been a passion of mine. So I would consider cooking as breeding. It's like my getaway point, my free. When I'm cooking, it's like the world is on a standstill. So when I say standstill, I mean it's like every problem just disappears. So yes, cooking is my first love. So guys, it is not pickle without Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And the pickle for the fish sauce is different from the chicken. We use less pepper for the chicken. The fish require more pepper, but it's still gonna be spicy. So now guys, we have our famous pimento. So we're just gonna use a few pimento to the recipe. So guys, yes, summer is here again. So we got our pickle. We have everything cut. We have half sweet pepper. We got 2 onion. We got 2 peppers, and we have 2 carrots. So we're gonna saute the vegetable, then we're gonna pour our vinegar and our sugar. Alright guys, now we're gonna heat up our pot and we're gonna pour a little bit of oil in the pot, and then we're gonna saute our vegetable, and then we're gonna pour our vinegar. Usually I put a little twist to it, but you guys can try it at home. Would have cut an orange and would have pour a little orange in the escovitch sauce. So that would have give it that wow taste. Guys, we're just gonna pour a little bit of oil just to grease the pan. Alright, so now we're gonna pour in our carrots first. Alright, so now we are sauteing our carrots first. Idea is to saute the vegetable for about 3 minutes. So now we are gonna pour in the onions. Summer is a time where you can get together with your family and friends. You can either go out to the beach or just backyard cooking. So when you guys go to the beach or backyard cooking, just bring this recipe with you. Now we're gonna pour in the rest of the ingredients, the rest of the vegetables in the pot. Now we are pouring in our vinegar. Now we're gonna pour in our sugar. Turn up the flame. The reason why I poured the sugar in the escovitch sauce is to tone down the spice and to give it that nice smoothing flavor. So the sweet, the tangy, and the spice give that pickle that wow taste that everybody in Jamaica loves so much. So remember, you can try this with your chicken or with your fish, with whichever meat you like. Now we're finished with our pickle sauce. So guys, please ensure that you do not overcook the vegetable, because we want that crunchy taste to the the meat that you're gonna put the vegetable on. So now we're gonna move on to the chicken breast. We put on our pot and we're gonna allow the oil to heat. So we're gonna pour in our season, our pimento, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Alright, so guys, we have our flour, seasoned flour. So we're gonna part the seasoned flour in two. We're gonna use a wet butter and we're gonna use a dry butter. So we have our egg powder. We're gonna pour the egg powder. If you don't have an egg powder, you can substitute it by using orange season. Alright, so now we're mixing the egg powder into the bowl. Then we're gonna pour our water. Nice orange color, we're just gonna mix in. So you must be feeling this summer vibe, the beach, the music, and the food. So after making the wet butter, we're gonna pour it over the chicken. Most people put the chicken in the flour, but to me this is simpler and better. So we're just gonna pour it, and you're gonna need your hands for this after. So you're gonna rub in the wet mixture to the chicken. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna dust off to get the excess flour off of the chicken. We don't want it to be too clumpy. And you're just gonna repeat the procedure until everything is finished. So we're just gonna fry until golden brown on both sides. And remember, chicken breasts do not take a long time to fry. And you do not want to overcrowd the pot. Now it's gonna turn. So remember, fry until golden brown on each side. So remember, going out to the beach, before you go out, just prepare this recipe and take it along with you guys. Come on, let's prepare this recipe and just take it with on. You see me? So we're just gonna put the chicken to drain. So we finish our pickle and we'll fry our chicken breast. So we're going to head over to do the potatoes, guys. So guys, in case you guys don't have fries and you don't have the time to go to the market, you can use your potato. So you're gonna slice.
you are waiting on. So, Chef Henry, tell me, what is this? What is this?
Alright. It's, how would I call it? Heaven pan a plate.
Heaven pan a plate, I like that.
Yeah.
So tell me more about this Heaven pan a plate.
Summer team. Alright. We start off with escovitch sauce. Then we fry with chicken breast.
Yeah.
So we serve with escovitch sauce with the chicken breast. And then we just chill it down with local fries. Everybody love fries.
Everybody love fries.
If about kill out ourselves, we go buy the fries. We just use the potato.
Hold on the chef, hold on, cause yeah, make the thing I get cool and all now I'm gonna start taste the thing for the people them. No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I cook it.
Are you cook this chef?
Yeah.
No. The chef. It's spicy, sweet, I can get that sweetness and that tangy taste from it. It is so good. Tell me more about this dish.
Alright.
And why you choose to prepare this? Why this dish is suitable for summer?
Alright. Reason why I choose this dish. All Jamaican must know say all our teeth and go beach. So when the teeth and go beach, we run a whole heap of boat. Yeah. So most people that do fish, because remember say they on the sea already I do fish. But not everybody eat fish.
Right.
So for who not get the fish, I say,
and let me tell you something.
Why not chicken?
And most people don't know that chicken can be escovitch.
Most people
and I really like that.
Yeah.
So this chicken now, tell me the procedure, the step, how this is prepared.
Alright. Firstly, you can buy a chicken breast or you can buy an older chicken and you can debone the chicken breast. When you debone the chicken breast, all we're going to do is julienne the chicken breast, season it. We're going to use 2 butter, wet and dry. So after we season the chicken breast, we're going to put the chicken in the wet butter, then we're going to put it in the
and let me tell you something. For some people, they don't know that they can use a wet butter and a dry butter. The reason for using both butter is to keep the moisture of the chicken. And this is chicken breast, and we don't want it to be too dry.
Chicken breast easy to fry.
Easy to fry. And that's a good way to fry chicken, to get a wet butter and a dry butter, to give the chicken that extra coatness, which is good. So chef, where can people find you?
Alright. You can find me on YouTube, Life of a Jamaican Chef.
Hear that? You can find Chef Henry on YouTube. He's on YouTube also, Life of a Jamaican Chef. I like the name. How you came up with that name?
Alright. Life of a Jamaican Chef, I know. Alright, it's my life. People, it's very complicated being a chef in Jamaica. Because it's not easy. People, I always talk about this. I feel like I have to talk about it again. Can't talk about it, though.
Yeah, man.
You're going to so many interviews, people, and people don't want to pay you according to your qualification. They want to pay according to your age.
True.
So, my channel now, I show you every step where it take to become one of Jamaica's next great chef. Because that's the step I'm heading for. Yeah. It's the road I'm heading for right now, to become one of Jamaica's next top chef. So, to be the best, you have to learn from the best.
True. I really like that.
Always check out other Jamaican chef thing and see where I can learn or where I can improve my skill.
Yeah.
Because each one teach one. Each one help one.
True.
Yeah.
I really like that. Chef Henry, he's a YouTuber also. You can find him on YouTube again at Life of a Jamaican Chef. Are you on Instagram?
On Instagram at Chef Henry Soulfly Yardy Food.
Chef Henry Soulfly Yardy Food.
And at Facebook, Life of a Jamaican Chef.
Life of a Jamaican Chef. So tell me quickly,
that's my page.
do you do like catering and support?
Yeah. The idea is to start do some catering in the year coming. So we start promote for the start do some catering. So birthday party, we all do cakes. If you want your wedding cake, we can do that.
You hear that, people? So if you want a chef to cater at your event, Chef Henry is the chef to contact at your number?
Alright. 287-4202. Alright, scratch that. 1876.
Chef, the number.
No, I forgot the area code. Not everybody.
Alright.
Is Jamaican.
True.
1876-287-4202.
You got that, people? And that's it on In the Kitchen with Chef Dakers. Stay tuned for next week. We're still on the theme on what's cooking for summer. So if you want more summer recipe, don't go anywhere. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share my content.
And hit that post notification
And hit that
bell.
post notification bell.
I won't never sell my soul.